The PLC and servo drive system integrates Meanwell's DPLC controller, servo drive system, and next-generation DIN rail power supply to establish a standard automation solution. By recreating real-world automation application scenarios, the system simulates high-speed operation with coordinated dual-axis rotary motion, achieving high-precision closed-loop motor control and fully demonstrating the core advantages of Meanwell products in precision, stability, and reliability. The demo kit combines Meanwell circuit breaker, DPLC, servo motors and servo drives, and PowerNex linear modules, together with the Meanwell XDRE series DIN rail power supply as a complete automation solution. Next, we will introduce the operation and functions of this demo kit. First, turn on the circuit breaker and wait for the PLC initialization process to complete. Once initialization is finished, the red indicator light will turn on. Press the speed selection button. When released, the system operates in high-speed mode. When pressed, it switches to low-speed mode. Manual control can only be operated under low-speed mode. Turn the selector switch to the left to select X-axis 1. Press the left-right movement button to move the axis accordingly. Turn the selector switch to the right to select X-axis 2. Then press the corresponding button to perform left-right movement. Press the reset button to reset the system. After the reset is completed, press the rotation button to manually rotate the U-axis. Next, we will demonstrate the system operation in automatic mode under both low-speed and high-speed conditions. First, reset the equipment. After the reset is completed, the red indicator light will turn on. Before starting automatic operation, select either high-speed or low-speed mode. The system is now operating in low-speed automatic mode. Press the stop button to stop operation. Then switch to high-speed automatic mode by first resetting the system again. Reset first. After the reset is complete, press the high-speed button to enter high-speed automatic mode. During automatic operation, the rotation speed of the U-axis can be adjusted through the potentiometer.